Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. This small but beautiful town is one of the absolute favorite places to visit in Michigan. This quaint town gives you one heck of a taste of Bavaria in the Great Lakes Bay region without leaving the country. Welcome to Frankenmuth, Michigan. The city's name is a combination of two words. Franken represents the province of Franconia in the Kingdom of Bavaria from which the original settlers came, and the German word Mut means courage. Thus, the name Frankenmuth means courage of Franconians. The Frankenmuth Cheese Haus has been a landmark since 1968 and known for quality cheeses. It is a family-owned business. They carry over 270 different types of cheeses from all over the world and make 12 cheeses in-house. The majority of town's restaurant, shopping and activities are nestled within the pretty downtown area. As an added bonus, parking is free so you can park once and walk to numerous places. Founded in 1862, this is America's oldest microbrewery and Michigan's original craft brewery. It is known for its award-winning lagers, ales, and beers. If you are looking for the restaurant which made Frankenmuth famous for chicken dinners, then Zehnders is the place. The all-you-can-eat chicken dinner at Zehnders restaurant is $28 per person. Once we had our lunch, we came out of restaurant and it started snowing. It was like heaven. It was very beautiful. Please watch the rest of the video and you will see what I meant. so much for watching, and I will meet you guys in my next video.